Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on it or money here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to account and visa cards details, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.